I'm always excited to bring you new fabrics, but especially this morning, I'm just really excited. These are Eileen Fisher knits. So these are tencel knits. They have stretch in both directions. They're just stunning. Eileen Fisher today, tomorrow, they're going to be $19.99, all of them. And I think you're just going to be really excited. These are very cool. This first color is a teal. It's just like it's just perfect for everyone. The second color is a darker teal. So I'm just going to show you those in contrast just so that you can see them. But they're all tencel. The drape is beautiful on them. They're stretched in both directions. This third color is a charcoal. These are Eileen Fisher and they're 100% tencel. They're just really beautiful. Talk about slimming. Now I put this in here. This was a sweater knit. I don't know who the designer is on this. I know it is. It's a cotton. It's got a tiny little bit of poly in it. Or nylon, I'm not sure which, but it's just, again, great drape, stretch in both directions, but it just blended so beautifully with the blues and the teals. I put that in. And then this is like a cornflower blue. Again, stretch in both directions. Look at the drape on that. Isn't it incredible? 20 bucks, like, oh my goodness. All right, and then this one is like it's a green blue. It's definitely in the blue family. But again, I want you to see the contrast so you can see. It's like a sage green. We looked it up and we have the exact name for it. But anyway, it's just beautiful. So again, today and tomorrow, $19.99. Eileen Fisher knits. Yay! Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.